Hi everyone, Kamar here, and in today's video I'm going to show you the 4 reasons why you choose Microsoft Teams rather than Zoom for your business collaboration, and I think this is the best option available in the market right now. So don't let further and check out today's video. So the first reason is choosing Microsoft Teams is everything you need in one place. Right here you can see you can just access any kind of software that provided by Microsoft and Windows, and you can also do chat, add friends, and everything you can do inside in this software. You can see here there is available the chat option. You can just add your friends, you can chat with them and share any project like any Microsoft Word or Excel file. Everything you want you can share using this method, and this is not available in any other software, but on Teams you can have this feature to do whatever you want. The second option for choosing Microsoft Teams is this is very easy to use and you can do whatever you want very easily. So right now if I just go here on activity, I can see what meeting I have created here and all the other apps I can just add from here. You can also install more apps inside of this Microsoft Teams, and meeting creation is very easy. You can just click on chat and you can just start meeting by clicking here. You can see the new meeting, or you can just add a new chat. So right now I do not have any friends on my meetings, so I can just create a meeting by clicking here, type the meeting name and start the meeting. So this is my name, and I just start a meeting. You can just click on start meeting and you can see the meeting started. You can choose any other one thing, the background or any settings that you want to change. Anything you can just do inside here. So this is very easy and very convenient for your business, and you can just share anything you want always. This is a kind of Skype. You can see we can chat and we can create meeting, and we can do other progress inside of this. The number 3 reason for choosing Microsoft Teams is like the most Microsoft technology is available here. Teams is an involving solution consulting, adding more apps every day, because the Microsoft team is working on upgrading this thing every day. This is not like the Zoom and any other software, because they only have a few limited feature. But when you talk about Microsoft Teams, there is a lot of feature and there is lots of things to be added very soon, because there is a huge development team beside this software. And as you know, this software also have a night mode. I can show you right here. So you just need to click on your profile and go to settings, and from here you just select the theme which you want. We can choose between dark or high contrast or default, any theme you want. So the final and the fourth reason choosing Microsoft Teams is Teams is included in your Office 365 subscription, and it is a great way to get your employees to move away from the more traditional email threads or multiple attachment and become more comfortable with the settlements. Like if you choose any other subscription like Zoom and any other thing, you need to pay different bill, but when you work on Microsoft Teams, you do not need to pay separately, because we already need Microsoft Office to do our official work for businesses. So when you buy Microsoft Office 365, then this Microsoft Teams come free built in, so we do not need to pay any much, and this is very cheap. So I hope you understand.